to have and to get. Okay. So now let's see the some of the structure of these clauses. Okay. So I hope you have written and we have gone through this. So you can see that structure number one number structure, subject plus causative verb. CV means causative verb. CV means causative verb. We can say causative verb make, okay, have, yes, and then after agent plus verb 1. We have to use verb 1. Other words, so this is the causative verb. We are using the two causative verbs with this structure number 1. See, you can use in any tense, so you can write here any tenses. This means what? Make should be, make or have should be in the different form, like make can be used as a made, making, makes, okay, in different way it can be used. So I have written here any tense. It may be made, makes, have may be used as a had, okay, has. So any tense it should be, it doesn't matter, you have to use that. If there is a after make and have, if there is a agent, you have to use verb 1, not the other verb. Okay. So let's see some example of this by using this. Rahul makes Rohan laugh. Okay. See. So likewise, if you are making some of the sentence with that have, you can write like this. Shruti got, sorry, Shruti had Preeti, Shruti had Preeti write a letter. Okay. So in this way you can write. Now second number, structure number 2. If there is a more space, I can write on the top side. So okay. So see, subject plus causative verb. What is left? Two causative verbs we have used, make and have, and there is a one more causative verb is left, get. So subject plus causative verb get plus agent, you have to use verb 6, or you can say 2 plus verb 1. Okay, don't be confused as a verb 6, you may think that is a new one. So 2 plus verb 1 is known as verb 6. So See, Rani got Roma. Rani got Roma to wash clothes. 2 plus verb 1 or verb 6 when get is used with the agent. So these causative verbs are with agent. That causative verb with agent, you can say that. Causative with agent. Causative with agent. Okay. Make, have, take agent, and get also take agent. When make and have take agent, you have to use verb 1. When get take agent, you have to use verb 6. The 3 causative verbs. Now we'll discuss about that causative verbs without agent. Okay. So Zoya had her dress washed. After this causative verb, there is a object, not the agent. This is a object. From the non-living things, I will make it clear that how to know that agent and object. Okay. So number 3. Second number example from the got. Sikha got Sikha got her shoes polished. See, this is it should be any tense. Causative verb should be in any tense. Any tense you can write. Now let's talk about the what things we should see at the beginning. As we talk about that, some of the what is called agent and what is called object. So if you have no idea about the agent and object while you are solving in a causative verb, then it may be difficult for you. So it is very necessary to know that either that causative verb, after the causative verb there is a use of agent or use of object, and this will determine you to solve the problems from the causative verb. Let's see. One number. Agent means what? Doer. In a very simple way, those who walk. Okay. So agent, doer, you can say that. It is belonging from the person. Okay. And second number is a object. It is from, you can say, things. Vastus, things. Okay, things, we can say that. So these are the object and see there, Joya had her dress. her dress is what? Belongs from the object. Thinks it is, so it is considered as a object, not as a agent. Here also got her shoes. Shoes is belongs from the object. It is also known as agent. So object. So we should use verb 3 here. In the same way, in the previous examples, we will discuss about this all, and one more structure is left from this one. I'll talk you about this in the next class, next session, next video I'll release, and you will see in that part. Thank you very much.